Mari.
Get your head up.
Come on, let's get started.
But somebody didn't press the button.
I did press the button. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is D from Busy with D, and I am going to be showing you guys how I detangle Damari's 4C hair. Okay, so I am starting on stretched hair. Her hair has been in 2 ponytails or 2 buns for a little over a week and a half. Okay, so her hair is already sectioned in half and I am working with 1 half. I'm kind of going through and letting her hair just part itself. I'm not pulling the hair apart. I'm not using a comb or anything like that. I'm just letting it fall where it falls, and then I'm putting it in a scrunchie to keep it out of the way. So at this point, with her hair being so dry, you don't want to go in with a comb, or you don't want to start tugging at it and pulling it, because it will cause breakage, which is why I am not doing any of that. I am just letting it fall where it falls. And I am now going to take one section, spray it with water, and then I'm going to work that water into her hair just to give it a little bit of moisture before I start to detangle. So now that the water is all worked in, I am going in with my leave-in conditioner, which I just showed you. I'm applying that to her hair, giving it a very generous amount, because I think I did this on a Sunday and she is going to swim lessons on a Tuesday, on the following Tuesday. So I just want her hair to be very protected. Also, if you notice here, I'm starting to detangle her hair. I am starting at the bottom and making sure I detangle it thoroughly at the bottom, then slowly working my way up to the roots, just to make sure that I am not snatching or pulling any of her hair. Depending on how moisturized the hair is, this process can be pretty much painless. She's not really whining or even acknowledging that I'm detangling her hair. So that just shows you that her hair has a lot of water and a lot of leave-in conditioner. So now that I've applied the leave-in conditioner, it's time for the oil. I use this oil when I can't find the almond oil that I want. I'm pointing at the label at the bottom. It says refined on high heat or something like that. You really want cold pressed oil. That is the best oil. It has most of its nutrients still in it. It hasn't been tainted with heat or anything like that. So I prefer cold pressed oil, but I couldn't find it, so I am working with this until I use it all. Okay, so after I added the oil, I added the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and this is just what I'm using as a cream. And then I plaited her hair, so she is getting about 5 or 6 large braids on each side of her hair, and this is just to keep her hair detangled and out of the way. repeat this process on the next section of hair. I am going to do the same thing throughout her entire head. I was just showing you there how her hair is tangled at the ends, so I am applying as much water as I can, but I don't want her hair to be soaking wet, like water dripping down on her. I don't want it that wet. I just want it to have enough water and enough leave-in conditioner so that when I am detangling it, there's minimum breakage, and that is how you, well, that is one way to retain length. So here I am adding in leave-in conditioner just like the previous section. I'm also going to go back in and add more water because it didn't have enough slip or as much slip as I wanted it to have on the ends of her hair, and that is where you start detangling. So again, remember to start detangling the hair from the bottom, and you'll see in a few seconds that it looks like I am doing it very rough, but this video has been sped up. So be as gentle as possible because again, the goal is to minimize breakage and retain length. Okay, so I am all done detangling this section, so I'm going to braid this up and get it out of the way. Not a super tight braid, but not a very loose one, just something that will keep her hair intact. And also, if you notice, I don't go all the way down to the ends of her hair. That is because, again, she is going to swim lessons on Tuesday, and once her hair gets wet, it will shrink up even more than what it already is now, and I don't want to have a hard time taking the braids out, so I just leave the ends a little bit unraveled and just tuck them under her swim cap. So here I'm just doing a quick informal length check. Damari is 4, she will be 5 next month in May. Well, this is late March, but she'll be 5 in May, and her hair is about mid-back length. So I am just showing you guys here how long her hair is. Okay, so it took me about an hour and a half to finish her entire head. That is, in my opinion, a long time to detangle, but it had to be done. So these are the results. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.